Streamers, gamers, developers, glad to have you. My name's Matt. I don't want to waste any of your time. I'm here to teach you the quickest way to make a Twitch bot on your channel. Now, it's going to be very comprehensive. It's going to be simple. It's going to be fast. It's going to be easy. It's going to be awesome. Now, all you really need to know is how to use Python. Don't even need to know how to use Python. All you need to know is how to use Python commands, and I'm going to tell you every single one of them. It's going to take you a moment to understand, but I am going to explain a little bit about this code. That's about it. It's going to be real fast. All right, starting from the top, we have a couple of import statements. The top one, most important, it's how we're going to talk to Twitch. Easiest one alive. You just copy this code. I'm going to have it in the description. You barely have to do anything. But I'm going to tell you what they're good for. So the Twitch one is to send commands to the Twitch bot. The OS is for the environment variables. We don't want to have all of our code cluttered with environment variables that are going to be specific to just you in your account. So that's fine. JSON, you're going to need that to understand JSON stuff later. Time, a lot of the time when you try to use your Twitch bot, you're going to try and rapidly fire off messages. It's going to halt you. It's not going to let you do all the messages that you want, so you're going to have to space them out a bit. I usually wait like 1, maybe 2 seconds before I reply. No, not reply. Before I respond if I'm doing back-to-back commands. Easy enough. Whatever. First things first, right here, we're going to set up our bot. Our bot takes a token, a client ID, a nickname, a prefix, and your channel. All of these, you're going to put into a separate file called .env. Your .env is going to have your token. I'm going to give you the link for that. Your client ID, going to give you the link for that. And then up to you is what you want to make your bot called. Mine's called a trivia bot recorder. It's for a special thing that I do on my channel where my streamers do trivia. I record their scores and I make sure it's competitive for them. At the very bottom, you're going to put your channel name. Your channel name has to be case specific. Otherwise, your bot's going to run up on a random other channel and just start running game there. Be pretty funny, to be honest, if you just put a bot on another person's server, but that'd be problems. But it's okay. So, what we've got here, I'm going to scroll down a bit. We've got 3 commands. 3 commands is all you need. First one is send message. That's how your bot's just going to send a message to your chat. It's going to be that simple. All you give it is a message and it'll just send it to the chat. You can say whatever you want. You can write an entire script saying the entire B-movie line by line to your chat. I'm going to steal that idea. That sounds hilarious. Okay, next one. Event ready. That just tells the script that your bot is ready and online. It'll send a message privately to you in your chat saying that your bot has landed. Easiest step. You don't even have to do anything for that. The last one is where you get to have the most fun. Your event message is going to be called every single time that your bot receives a message on chat. By receiving a message, I mean it's reading a message, so it's fine. Don't worry about these. These are for a project that I'm doing. You don't need to worry about that. Scrolling down, these are like the basicest things. First one, if ctx.author, nonsense. If this name is equal to your bot's name, it will not read your message because otherwise your bot would keep on reading its own messages over and over again. You might not know this, but it's called recursion. It's called a loop. It breaks. Don't even need to worry about that. The next thing is awaiting bot.handle commands. If your bot has commands waiting, it'll remember them and keep going with them. Sorry about that. The last thing, this is probably the last step that you really need to know about programming, is that how your bot is going to read messages that come in. Now, I made this most quick and easy script. It says if hello in the response, then just say hello back. So this is basically the template that you need in order to just make whatever bot you want. If your viewer says pog, you want to reply with poggers. All you have to do is change this statement, this what's in quotations, to say poggers back, and this to say pogs. Pog, hi poggers. It's that simple. I don't even know what that phrase means, but it's okay. I'm just trying to give you an example. So, your bot will record these messages, send messages back. It's that simple. I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to set up your environment. That'll take a moment at most, but you will have to have Python 3 and a little bit of knowledge on how to do command lines. But I'm giving you the command lines, so it's that easy. Okay, one sec. First things first, you gotta know what folder that you put your programming in. You just have to have this one file and a .env. That's this folder, this file right here. Whatever folder you put that in, you're gonna bring up a command line prompt. I'm gonna use PowerShell. You can use anything. You can use the regular command line. I know that looks sleek. It's fantastic. So you're gonna do change directory, and you're gonna go to the directory where that actual file is. If you don't know how to do that, all you have to do is CD, bring up the Windows Explorer, grab this and copy it. Copy it and then paste it. Copy it and paste it. That's an entire comp sci degree right there, is copying and pasting. Whether or not, you'll end up back in the folder that you need to be, and this is where we're gonna get started. We're gonna use a virtual environment. Virtual environment just keeps all of your variables in one place, makes the thing speed up and run all on its own. We're gonna use a virtual environment. Virtual environments are so easy to use. You'll love it, I'll love it, it's okay. So we're gonna write Python 3. You're gonna know if you have Python 3 installed correctly, because when you type in Python 3 and press enter, it's gonna take you to Python 3 and it'll give you like Python 3, 3.9, whatever. We don't really need to be in here, so we're gonna quit right out of it. I just wanted you to know whether or not you have it installed. So we're gonna need this virtual environment. Luckily, Python 3 comes with a packager, mad easy, pip3 install pipenv. I'm going to list every command you need in the description. It's going to be like a little how-to. It's going to be so simple. So we're going to do pip3 install pipenv. I get these messages saying that I already have it because I have it already. You won't, and it'll do it. So that's fine. A lot of the times when you're going to first run this, it's going to say missing dependency JSON or missing dependency time. Just do pip3 install and then that name of the package, and boom, it'll install it. Just go down the list. There's gonna be a few that you don't have. Okay, easiest step now. All we're gonna write is Python 3 -m. -m means module, doesn't matter. You don't need to understand that. I'll understand that. env run bot.py. Easiest 5 words you've ever written in your life. -m isn't even a word. And we're gonna watch this run, and you're gonna see right in my stream chat that it's gonna say trivia bot has landed. Let's go. It's gonna be that simple for you too. So all you gotta see is now every time I say something in chat, it'll respond. So we wrote in our chat, we're gonna say when we say hello, it's gonna say hi back. You were attempting to message. Okay. Look at that. It said hi back. Insane, right? I might have clipped out of it because I had some weird message pop up because I'm using a widget. It's okay, but that's how easy it is. All we put in our code was if hello and ctx lower. So now you can start saying anything in your code. Just make sure when you want to make something go back and back and back and forth, that's how easy it is. You can respond with anything. You can respond with author. You can respond with letters, numbers, games, whatever you have it. You can start making games in chat. You can start purposefully making this bigger and better. Just trying to implement different games into your stream, different things. I don't know. It's up to you. That's all you needed. You need three methods, a little bit of Python scripts, and that's it. Every time you want to run that script, every time you want to run your bot, all you have to do is do that one command, Python 3 -m pipenv run bot.py. It's so easy. I've memorized it now, and I've only run it like 14 times. You'll get the hang of it. That is it, guys. Thank you a lot for watching. You're welcome for all the code. If I missed a step or made an error along the way, if you're reaching a problem that you want to get through, reach out to me. I'll easily help you. It just takes minutes for me. It could take hours for you. So thank you very much for watching. I'll probably follow this up with how I use my Twitch bot to make a trivia bot recorder. It's very cool. I'm proud of my work, and I will help you through any roadblocks you get. Good luck, guys. Oh, in one shot. In one shot. Do I jump it? I'm gonna jump it.